Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to complete Binance's Know Your Customer, or KYC, verification process step by step. This essential procedure is designed to confirm your identity, ensuring a secure and compliant trading environment for everyone. It's a crucial step for adhering to international financial regulations and preventing illicit activities. By following these simple instructions, you will gain full access to all of Binance's features and enjoy enhanced security for your account. Before you begin the verification process, it's important to gather the necessary documents. You will need one valid government-issued identification document, such as a passport, a national identification card, or a driver's license. Make sure your chosen document is not expired and that all information is clearly visible. Having these ready will make the submission process much smoother and help you complete your verification quickly. Once your documents are ready, log in to your Binance account and find the Identity Verification section. You will be prompted to upload clear, high-quality images of both the front and back of your chosen identification document. After this, you will complete a live facial verification. This usually involves a quick scan of your face using your device's camera, ensuring that the person submitting the documents is indeed you. After successfully submitting your documents and completing facial verification, your application will be reviewed by the Binance team. This process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, your account will be fully verified, granting you access to all platform features. You will benefit from significantly higher deposit and withdrawal limits, along with enhanced security measures to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.